Are you experiencing screen flickering or black screen issue on PS5? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Power cycle your PS5. When you are experiencing screen flickering or black screen issues on your PS5, power cycle the device. To do so, press the PlayStation button on your controller. Scroll down to power and select turn off PS5. Wait for the PS5 to completely turn off. Unplug the power cable from the back of your PS5 for about 30 to 60 seconds. Plug the power cable back in and turn on your PS5. Method 2. Reconnect HDMI cable. The next thing you should do is reconnect the HDMI cable. Unplug the HDMI cable from both your PS5 and TV. Plug the HDMI cable back into both the PS5 and TV. Boot up your PS5 and check if the issue is resolved. Method 3. Check the HDMI cable. Next, check the HDMI cable. To check for any physical cable damage, inspect the HDMI cable for any visible signs of wear or damage, ensuring it is securely connected to both the PS5 and the display. If the issue persists, try using a different HDMI cable, which can help determine if the original cable is faulty. These initial steps can help identify and potentially resolve simple causes of screen flickering, allowing gamers to return to a stable and clear gaming experience. Method 4. Try a different HDMI port. Another method you could try to fix the flickering issue on your PS5 is to use a different HDMI port on your TV. Here is how to do it. Start by unplugging the HDMI cable from its current port on your TV. Then plug it into a different HDMI port on the TV. Once you have done this, turn on your PS5 and check to see if the flickering issue persists. By using a different HDMI port, you might be able to resolve any connectivity problems that were causing the flickering. Method 5. Change the video transfer rate. Perform this step only if you can access PS5 settings. Open Settings. Select Screen and Video. Select Video Output. Select 4K Video Transfer Rate. Try selecting -1 or -2 to reduce the bandwidth if it is set to automatic. Method 6. Disable HDR. The next thing you can do is disable HDR only if you can access PS5 settings. Here is how you can adjust your PS5 settings to disable HDR, especially if your TV or monitor doesn't support it, or if you are facing compatibility issues like screen flickering. Navigate to Settings, go to Screen and Video, select Video Output. Find HDR or similar settings and set it to off. Method 7. Contact support. Flickering on a PS5 or its display can be due to internal hardware issues. So if the previous methods couldn't fix the screen flickering or black screen issue, then contact the PlayStation support. Your device might require repair or replacement. And there you have it, the methods to fix the screen flickering or black screen issue on PS5. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. Interested in the products we have mentioned, click on the links in the description below to buy those tagged products. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.